Tired of .ics calendar invites opening in new Outlook or Windows Calendar instead of classic Outlook? Here's how to fix it in less than a minute. When you double-click an .ics file, Windows may open it in the wrong app. Let's change that default setting. First, open Windows Settings. In the Settings window, choose Apps. Now click Default Apps. Scroll down or use the search box to find New Outlook, and click on it. On this page, scroll until you see the .ics file type. Click the app listed next to it, that's your current default. From the options that appear, select Classic Outlook or the Outlook version you want to use. That sets Classic Outlook as the default for all .ics calendar files. Now, close Settings and test it. Double-click your .ics file again, it should open perfectly in Classic Outlook. If Outlook doesn't show up in the list, open Classic Outlook once and try again. If New Outlook still takes over, repeat the same steps and set .ics to Classic Outlook again. And that's it, your calendar invites will now open in the right Outlook every time. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment if you want more quick Windows fixes.